How to register Uber Eats on a bike. I'm gonna teach you how to register Uber Eats on a bike in today's tutorial. So first, to sign in as a bike driver person, you have to have 4 requirements. You have to be at least 18 years old, have a government issued ID, then you have to submit your social security number so they can run a background screening, and lastly, when you sign in, you need to choose delivery by bicycle, and in some cities, by bicycle or foot. Then you have to sign in. I explained how to do so in another video. That's it. You're all set.